Hi guys. Today I wanted to talk about finishing up the 10 elements. Elements 8, 9, and 10. A long chord on a pad instrument, putting an arpeggiator on those same chord notes, and then making a white noise filter sweep. Alright, let's get started. First of all, I drug a pad in here and I'm going to make this long. I'm going to make it 4 measures long. I'm going to draw in a chord, an E minor chord, E, G, B. Make these notes long, 2 measures long, 2 measures long. All right, and then I'm going to draw in a second chord, D minor, D, F, A. All right, 2 measures long. Great, sounds like this. Okay, I'm going to copy this clip, Command C, paste it into another track. On this, so I'm going to use the exact same notes, but now I'm going to put an arpeggiator on it. MIDI effects, arpeggiator. I'm going to change some of the parameters of the arpeggiator and give it a little extra steps. It sounds like this. Okay, so the exact same notes that we used for the chord, now they're bouncing around a little bit. Okay, that can be pretty nice. Next, we are going to make a white noise sweep. I'm going to go to Instruments, Analog. Bring in the analog. Okay, I'm going to make a clip for myself that's 8 measures long. Loop length 8. All right. And draw a note in there. Let's see, how do I get that? Go to the Notes button and draw a note in there. A long note. Okay. Now I'm going to go to the analog and make sure that the oscillator 1 is off. The oscillator 2 is off, but the noise button is on. And that's going to sound, and what I'm going to do is adjust the amp level and the noise color. All right, get those things to where I want them. Next, I drag a filter, an auto filter from Audio Effects, Auto Filter, drag it in here. And then I'm going to draw in a sweep on the auto filter. So on my clip, I go to the E for envelopes. I choose the auto filter. I'm going to use the frequency. All right, I'll start the frequency down low and end it up high. I'm also going to do the resonance, and I'll start it down low, but I won't go up quite so high with that. The resonance is this peak, this C, it's that sharp part, and the frequency is this long bar that sweeps across. Okay? So if we can hear that, that sounds like this. All right, pretty neat, huh? All right, the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this clip one more time, put it on a little guitar patch. I'm going to raise it another octave or so. It starts at E3. I'll use the arrow buttons to bump it, scooch it up, get it, some high pitches, and then I might put a little decay on this one, a little delay, ping pong delay on this one. So this one will bounce around. Same same chords that we're using. All right, but now all together it's going to sound like. All right, so a long chord progression, then also putting a MIDI arpeggiator on those same long chord notes, and then also making a noise sweep with the analog instrument, making sure that the oscillators are off, but the noise is on, adjusting the level of the amp and adjusting the color. And you may also adjust the sustain if you would like also. But mostly the level and the color, making sure the noise is on. And then adding a filter in and drawing in your filter envelopes. All right, have fun.